Hey guys, how you all doing? So we traveled to Kaduna recently and we had a shoot and we felt it was going to be a good idea to bring you guys along. Nothing too serious, just something pretty chilled. So let's get into it.
Have a shoot to do today. We are currently going to pick the model and head to the location. And if the camera is shaking, we are currently on the road, so forgive the bumpiness and shakiness. And I'm also trying to hold the camera so it doesn't fall off this dashboard.
So we just got done taking the first set of pictures with the first outfit. I mean, you guys have been seeing them. You see, just something pretty chill. So she went to get like a change of clothes. I don't know how many outfits we're going to be doing, but just doing a couple of outfits. So yeah, now we're waiting for the change and new location. Still in the same park though, still in the same Gamji Park. I just realized we've been calling the place Gamji since. But the name is actually changed. It's now Splash Park or Splash Water Park. I don't know. I'll put it up here somewhere. But yeah, that's the new name. We call it Gamji because, like, for those of us that grew up in KG, I mean, you all know Gamji. That's what it was known as, Gamji Gate. So, yeah. Oh my god. Alright guys, now a word from our sponsors.
This video has been sponsored by Happyboy. Are you looking for a YouTube channel where you can watch diverse content all in one place? Well, I'm here to tell you that Happyboy is the place for you. And the best part of it is that it's all free. All you have to do is just subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon to turn on post notifications so you'll be aware whenever they drop videos. Also, use code Happyboy in the comment section for 100% off your subscription. I mean, subscription is free anyways, but let's just assume that it was not free, and if you type Happyboy in the comment section, you're going to get it for free. That's it. That's all I have to tell you. Now, let's get back to the video.
Alright guys, thank you guys very much for sticking around to the end of this video. Everyone's social media links will be in the description. Winnie, Kingsley, like big thank you to both of them. They really made this shoot come alive. We might also shoot with Kingsley in the future, so drop your comments in the comment section below. Let us know what you guys think, or your thoughts, or your ideas. We're open to taking ideas. Drop a like on this video if you enjoyed it. Share the video with your friends and your family, and also do not forget to subscribe. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace, stay happy.